join me in the kitchen here on Doughty Street in Stamford, and we're going to take a look around this beautiful 3-bedroom semi-detached home. It's been renovated throughout, it's beautifully presented, and I can't wait for you to take a look around. Come on. So let's start right here in the heart of the home, the kitchen. As you can see, it's beautifully presented. Got lots of storage, space for white goods, and if you just come this way, we've got a nice little breakfast area. Imagine like a gorgeous little round table in this space and views across that stunning garden. You can just see the festoon lights in the tree here, which light up the whole garden on a night, and it just looks amazing. Right, onwards to the dining room. Straight off the kitchen, we have this gorgeous dining room, and I'm using that word a lot in this house. We've got dual aspect windows, and it's really spacious. This is actually a 6-seater table. It's only got 4 chairs around at the moment, but there's plenty of space for an even bigger table. And look at these original cupboards. They go all the way back to the back of this chimney breast here, and you've got the potential, if you wanted to reopen this chimney breast back up. Just think how stunning that would be with a beautiful log burner while you were entertaining your guests. Beautiful living room. I absolutely love it in here. I can just imagine myself sitting here snuggled up in a blanket watching a Christmas movie with that log burner on and a roaring fire. And if we take a look over here, we've got this stunning Edwardian feature window with these bespoke blinds which will be staying. So here I am on the landing of this gorgeous home, and I've got 3 bedrooms and a bathroom to show you up here. I'm not going to make you wait though, so let's get right into that principal bedroom. Now this is the biggest bed I think I have ever seen. I believe it's an American size queen or king. Anyway, my point is it's huge. So it takes up quite a lot of room in this bedroom. But if you had a standard king size, that would easily go in the middle. 2 beautiful bedside cabinets and space for storage over here. So we have another double bedroom here that I'd like you to see first before showing you bedroom number 3. Take a look. This one overlooks the rear garden, so it's got some amazing views, and it's very peaceful. So this is such a cute 3rd bedroom as a single, but this is what I want to show you in here. Might not seem like much, but we all know how important storage is. Look at the size of that for an airing cupboard. Traditionally decorated with beautiful white subway tiles and that gorgeous overhead shower. So it might be freezing now, but let's pretend it's summer for a second. Imagine entertaining in this gorgeous garden. And again, it's that word, gorgeous. But just look at it. You've got this fantastic patio, a lawn area, leading all the way down to those beautiful summer houses let's go and have a look. So what I really love are the different zones within this garden. Now you may choose to use this space as just a summer house or storage, or it would make a great home office. I'd certainly be using it for work if I was buying this house. It's not insulated at the moment, but it does have its own electricity supply, and it does have space between the windows and the thickness of the walls that you can install insulation if need be. So this is the front of this wonderful home, and as you can see, we've got a low maintenance front garden here with a fence and gate. But what a lot of people on this street have done is actually chosen to get rid of the front garden altogether and put in a dropped curb and have this as dedicated off-road parking. Lots of different houses have done it, but in our experience there is always on-street parking, so if you didn't want to do that, no problem at all, but if you did, you know that the option is there. Well, that concludes our tour of this fabulous home, and I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look around. If you'd like more information about this property, please visit our website eastaway.co.uk. Click on the property details page and you can find all the information there and even book a viewing. I'll see you soon on another video.